the legs outstretched. Place the palms of the hands on the floor to the sides and just behind the buttocks. The back, neck and head should be straight. Be aware of the toes. Move the toes of both feet slowly backward and forward, keeping the feet upright and the ankles relaxed and motionless. Inhale as the toes move backward, exhale as the toes move forward. Hold each position for a few seconds, repeat 10 times. Slowly move both feet backward and forward, bending them from the ankle joints. Try to stretch the feet forward to touch the floor and then draw them back towards the knees. Inhale as the toes move backward, exhale as the toes move forward. Hold each position for a few seconds, repeat 10 times. Now place the feet together. Slowly rotate both feet together in the same directions, keeping them in contact with each other. Do not allow the knees to move. Practice 10 times clockwise. And then 10 times anti-clockwise. Now keep the feet separated. Slowly rotate both feet from the heels together. The toes should touch each other on the floor. Hold each position for a few seconds. Repeat 10 times. Bend the right knee and bring the foot towards the buttock. Place the foot on the left thigh. Hold the foot with both hands. Slowly rotate the right foot 10 times clockwise. Inhale on the upward movement. Exhale on the downward movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Repeat with the left leg also. Bend the right leg and place the right foot on the left thigh as possible. Place the right hand on the top of the bent right knee. While breathing in, gently move the right knee up towards the chest. Breathing out, gently push the knee down and try to touch the knee to the floor. Do not force this movement in any way. Slowly practice 10 up and down movements. Same with left leg. Sit in the base position. Bend the right leg. Place the hands under the right thigh. Raise the right foot from the ground. Rotate the lower leg from the leg at the top of the upward movement. Rotate 10 times clockwise. And then 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale on the upward movement. Exhale on the downward movement. Repeat with the left leg also. Hold both arms straight in front of the body at shoulder level. Stretch the fingers as wide apart as possible. Close the fingers to make a tight fist. Again, open the hands and stretch the fingers. Inhale on opening the hands. Exhale on closing the hands. Repeat 10 times. Make a fist with the thumb inside. Slowly rotate the fist about the wrist, ensuring that the palm faces downward throughout the rotation. Practice 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. Now bend the right hand backward from the wrist with the help of left hand. Bend the hand forward from the wrist so that the fingers point towards the floor. Inhale with the backward movement. Exhale with the forward movement. Repeat 10 times. Exhale. Remain in the base position. Stretch the arms in front of the body at shoulder level. Bend the arms and touch the thumb to the shoulder. Inhale while strengthening the arms. Exhale while bending the arms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Fully rotate both elbows at the same time in a large circle. Try to toss the elbows in front of the chest on the forward movement and touch the ears while moving up. Practice slowly 10 times clockwise. Inhale on the upward stroke, exhale on the downward stroke. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Now 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Take a deep breath in, breath out. Now turn your face to the right without lifting your shoulder. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, go to the left side. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Now inhale up. Exhale all the way forward down with ease. Inhale up. Exhale forward down with ease. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now we will do a complete rotation of the neck. Inhale as the head moves up. Exhale as the head moves down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Practice 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise.